Welcome to this video. Today we will guide you through on how to install Snapchat on your Android device. So the first thing we need to make sure of is that you're connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Next, what we have to do is tap on Google Play Store. Next, you need to verify that you're signed in into your account. You need to be signed in into a Google account to download any app on Play Store. Next, what we do is go to the bottom right and click on the search icon. Then on the top, we search for Snapchat. Here's the Snapchat page. It has more than 37 million reviews and has been downloaded more than 1 billion times. We tap on Install to install Snapchat. This may take a minute or a couple of minutes depending on your internet connection. And there you have it, it is installed. To open Snapchat, we tap on the Open button. And that's how you install Snapchat on your Android device. Next, you will continue with Google or sign up on your account. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.